some of the very things that made me unfocused, right, also played to my advantage. So it would have been so much easier to arrive here on the straight and narrow. Many of the key experiences in my life made getting this job very difficult. The first step of the straight and narrow, for example, is that you ace high school. But when you immigrate at 12, that can make that pretty difficult because your attention is split between doing well in school and learning some very basic social norms, right? As well as like just nuances like slang and pop culture and things like that.
Yeah.
And at the same time, those things actually played to my advantage in the long run, right? So knowing that you can survive hard times and adapt is exactly the kind of thing you need when the job search is grinding your confidence down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Being Israeli and speaking Hebrew made it much easier for me to chase an opportunity in Israel in the startup nation. And suddenly those first 12 years of my life skills, became useful again.
Right.
And having Hebrew and having the Israeli connection also made it possible for me to find my second job.
Mm-hmm.
Having different experiences to the cookie cutter, straight and narrow people helps you think differently. And some people value that. Some people very much don't. Some people very much want to see you fit into a mold. But for those who do, that gives you an advantage.